Afternoon, Dan from DJMoore Loft here. Just on one of our current projects that we started. When did we start this? Monday, yeah. So we started this project in Monday in Wooton, Bedford. So relatively new house. Ironically, I actually live on the same road as this, so not far away. But the house is approximately 3 to 4 years old, something along those kind of lines. It's not old at all. And yeah, so client's looking for more space. We've already done a conversion, the exact same house, just further along the street. So the client, that client kindly let this client round to show him the space because they were unsure initially of what could be given or what could be gained from up there. The new client, well, I say a new client, this client here, this conversion, they've tweaked the design slightly. But yeah, what I'll do, I'll tweak it round and I'll show you what we're doing. So Darren, the project lead's just over there currently just measuring out for the Veluxes, getting them symmetrically centred to the room. So as you can see, so we've got timber gable end walls here. Now, weirdly, this is one of the only estates really that seems to be that they put these timber gable panels on the end, and the conception is that they're a timber framed house, but they're not. It's actually constructed in brick and so on down below. So we can still do the similar setup that we normally would in a normal conversion. But obviously it just gives the impression it's a timber framed house. So a lot of clients that we go to are under the impression they can't do a loft because it's a timber framed house or truss roof. So because these timber beams are in the place, they can't do it. Same thing again. I'd probably say a truss roof is maybe, I was going to say easier, but there's not a lot on it, to be honest. Between the two conversions, it's just you've got one method for a cut roof and one method for a truss roof. It's not massively different, but it's just the process in doing it. For you to be able to cut these out, you have to go at a certain stage at a time, i.e. dwarf walls in place, ceiling collar, rafters doubled up. So you're almost building a whole new A-frame around the existing truss, new joisting bolted to alongside the existing truss. So it's not for a structural perspective, but it's more for keeping up the existing ceiling below. As you can see here, we've got a couple of steel beams. This is one of our eaves beam this side, slightly smaller one that side because it's got a smaller span. Nice chunky spine beam here. So I think this was 46 kilos a metre, best part of 8 metres long. So quite a chunk of space there. I'll show you the plans here though, just to give you an idea. So just in case someone interested and they've got the same style house. So what we're basically doing is we've got a master bedroom. This is going to be an office / dressing area that the client's decided upon, and then we've got a nice ensuite. So we've got 2 pitch roof dormers on here, which are going to look like that. Now the existing layout, we've tweaked it a little bit. So currently the existing wall goes along there, and there's a doorway. So we've nicked a little bit of space out of that master bedroom, as you can see there. So we've nicked a little bit of space there to incorporate the new stairs to go up and over the existing, which is then going to lead on master bedroom that end. Dressing area / office here, and then once this pitch roof dormer's built here, I don't know if you can see that, but the doubles in between, so that's where our new dormer's going to be created, 1200 wide. This area here is going to be the bathroom, and then we've got 3 Veluxes. We've got slightly different size, so the client was very specific in what they wanted. They wanted a PK06 there, and another one in that size, and then a CK06 in the middle. Little bit unconventional size window. Normally it'd be an MK, like an MK06, MK04, but they've mirrored it from what the existing windows downstairs are, so we're putting them directly above so that it all lines up and they're near enough the same width for the existing. So that was one of the key points for the client they were looking for. Here we're just starting to measure out for shore stairs to start getting some designs going for the staircase and so on, so we can try and keep the stairs as far back towards the front of the house to give as much head height here and minimising angles, doors and so on. Obviously once we've got a nice Velux there, you're going to have plenty of natural light. Darren's gone all shy, so he stopped working, so I better go outside and do some work. But yeah, so we're going to have a pitch roof dormer there. Cladding, we're going to match it. So this house has actually already got, I think it's called Blueberry Blue, the cladding colour. So iron grey is the popular one, but Blueberry Blue that's actually got on this house. So we're going to match that so that the dormers all tie in with the area and so forth with the house. But yeah, just thought I'd give you another little walk round so you can see. But yeah, great example, seeing it at this space. So this is how we typically convert a loft. I mean, there is other systems out there, telebeam and so on, but this is, I feel, the most conventional and the most easiest to get you the most amount of space. So dwarf wall, doubled up rafter, nice ceiling collar at the top. Not too sure why that one's really wonky, but I think that's just a temporary pop. It's not wonky, looks it. But yeah, so you've obviously got the doubled up rafter, ceiling collar, so that stops the roof spreading at the top. Dwarf wall taking the mid span of that truss effect there. I can see Paul's watching. Hi, Paul. Hope your knee gets better. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.